here of our ever-supportive Mayor, Honorable Mayor Paul Chino Garcia. Our candidate number 5, we have Fire Officer 1 Vincent P. Ostinal, representing the Bureau of Fire Protection. Good evening, sir. Please speak your number. Sir, kung pogi candidate number 5, pick hashtag number 8. Hashtag brave. Again, hashtag brave.
Good evening everyone. Good evening judges at sa lahat po ng sumusuporta. As a member po ng law enforcement agency, hashtag brave. Brave, pagiging matapang. Bilang miyembro po ng kawani ng gobyerno, ang pagiging matapang ay dapat hindi ito ina-abuse at ginagamit ng tama. Ako po bilang isang miyembro po ng Bureau of Fire Protection, ginagawa ko po ng tama ang aking trabaho. Yun nga po, sa aming mission is we commit to prevent and suppress destructive fires, investigate its causes, and enforce fire code and other emergencies. So hindi lang po kami para sa sunog. Kami po ay nag-i-inspeksyon ng lahat ng establishment na may ensure po na nasusunod nila ang nasa fire code, na maging ligtas ito. At as bilang investigador po ng Ginobatan Fire Station, ginagawa ko po ito ng tama at matapang po itong inaarap. Maraming salamat po.